Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix Payday 3 private lobby looking for match issue. So first, we are going to talk about on how to set up a private lobby in Payday 3. So first is to go to play tab and select heist, choose your desired heist, set lobby type to friends only for friends or invite only to play alone. Once you're in, open the social menu to access and invite friends. Remember, you have 5 minutes to add everyone before the game starts automatically. Now we're going to talk about on how to fix that issue. So the first thing that you should do in order to fix the Payday 3 private lobby looking for match issue is you will have to recreate the lobby. Sometimes simply leaving the lobby and creating a new one can resolve issues. Next, restart the matchmaking session. Exiting and re-entering the matchmaking session can resolve the issues related to lost connections, providing a fresh start to the gaming experience. Next is to restart the game. Complete restart to the game can rectify any lingering issues and offer a clean slate for players to re-engage with the game. Next one is to check the Payday 3 servers. Monitoring the status of Payday 3 servers is crucial, as overloaded servers can be primary cause of matchmaking errors. Keeping abreast of server status ensures that players are informed of any ongoing issues and can adjust their gaming plans accordingly. So first is a Payday 3 Twitter handle. If something is posted here like they previously announced, as I show you in the picture, okay, so this one, you can just zoom it out if you cannot read that. And next is you will need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Okay, because verifying the stability of the internet connection can eliminate connectivity issues and facilitate smooth gameplay. Next is to install the Payday 3 latest updates. Regularly updating the Payday 3 game ensures that players have access to the latest features and bug fixes, mitigating the occurrence of matchmaking errors. Last one is to wait for the official fixes. Patience is key when dealing with server related issues. Waiting for official fixes and Starbreeze Studios allows players to benefit from professional solutions and enhancements to the gaming experience. If you want more information about this guide, you can just visit this website. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.